हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स मैं आज क्लास चैप्टर 8 एक्सरसाइज 8.2 को डिस्कस करने लगा हूँ। So 8.2 यहाँ पे इस एक्सरसाइज में in this exercise we are discussing the trigonometric terms at different angles. So different angles, the angle is there as standard angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard angles. So standard angles zero degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard angles where the trigonometric terms are discussed today. So firstly we are making a table of trigonometric terms at different angles. The value of the trigonometric terms at these angles are so first is theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Different angles. Different angles. So first is sine. Sine of angle. Sine of angle at 0 degree. So 0. Firstly we will write as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we have to divide this by 4. Now we have to take a square root of all these values. So 0 divided by 4 and square root of this is 0 and square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So square root of 2 by 4, that is 1 by under root 2, square root of 3 by 4 under root 3 by 2. So square root 4 by 4 is 1. So the value of sine at a different angle at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree are these. Now after that we will write the value of cosecant, theta and next again cos and next secant, next tan and cot. So the value of cosecant at different angles are, we know that sine is a reciprocal of cosecant and cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So we use the same concept and find the values of the cosecant at different angles. So firstly, reciprocal of 0. 0 is reciprocal to infinity. We say that not defined. Not defined. Next 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1 is equal to 2, and value of 1 by under 2 is under 2 by 1, that is under root 2, and reciprocal of 2 by under 3 is under 3 by 2 is 2 by under 3, and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now after write the values of the cosecant, now we are going to start to write the values of the cos at different angles. So the pattern is the value of cos theta is 90. We have to write the value of sine in reverse order in cos of angle. So value of 90 degree is cos 0 degree is 1, and cos 60 is under 3 by cos sine 60 is under 3 by 2, and the same value is cos of 30 degree, and cos of sine 45 is 1 by under 2, and cos 45 is 1 by under root 2. Now cos 60 degree and sine 30 degree will make the same, and cos 90 is equal to sine 0. So sine 0 is 0, so cos 90 is 0. Now secant, we know that secant is a reciprocal of cos, and cos is a reciprocal of secant. So using this concept we will elaborate the values of the secant at different angles. So reciprocal of 1 is 1, and the reciprocal of 3 under 3 by 2 is 2 by under 3. Reciprocal of 1 by under 2 is under 2 by 1, that is under 2. Now reciprocal is 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that is 2, and reciprocal of 0 is infinity, that is not defined. Not defined. And I discussed in last lecture the value of the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. So theta will remain the same in both cases. So sin 0 divided by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So answer is 0. So same pattern will be used in all these values. So tan 0 is 0 by 1 is 0. Next 1 by 2 and under 3 by 2. 1 by 2 under root 3 by 2. So 2 will cancel. So answer is 1 by under root 3. Next 1 by under root 2 divided by 1 by under root 2. So under 2 cancel, answer is 1. Now under 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So answer is under root 2 under 3, and 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity. Now next last one is chord of angles. So value of the chord at different angles is we know that chord is the reciprocal of tan theta. So the value of chord 0 is the reciprocal of 0 is infinity, and 1 by under 3 reciprocal is under 3 by 1. So therefore under 3, and value of reciprocal is 1, and under 3 by 1 is 1 by under 3, and reciprocal of infinity is 0. So that is the values of the trigonometric terms at different angles, at standard angles. We can say it as a standard angles. Exercise 8.2. So first question is sine of 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. How we evaluate this sine? Sine 60 is under 3 by 2. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 by 2, and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So under root 3 into under root 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. So under 3 into under 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. After taking the LCM, so 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4, that is 1. So value of this expression is 1. Now move on to next question. 2 tan square 45, 2 tan square 45 degree minus sine square 60 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So we have to evaluate this. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So value of tan is 1. So there is a tan square. So that means we have to square the value of 45. Tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So we have to put the square of value of tan 45. And sine 60 degree. Sine 60 is under 3 by 2. So here is the square. So we have to put the square on their value. And cos 60 is under 3 by 2. Cos 30 is cos 30 degree is under 3 by 2. And we have to put a square. So 1 into 1, square of 1 is 1. Under 3. Under 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. And then 3 by 4. So 2 into 1 2 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So here 3 by 4 have opposite sign. So cancel each other. So answer is 2. So answer is 2. Next one is third question. 2 tan square 2 tan square 30 degree over 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So evaluate this. So tan 30 is 1 by under root 3. So 1 plus 1 by under root 3. So 2 into 1 upon 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3. So next step is 2 by 3. So after taking LCM here, 3 is as LCM. So 3 plus 1, that is 2 by 3 over 4 by 3. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 is written as this. So 2 and 4 cancel each other and 1 by 2 is the value. Next question is 2 tan 30 degree over 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by under root 3 over 1 minus 1 by under root 3 square. So that is 2 by under root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So after taking LCM, 2 by under root 3, LCM is 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So answer is 2 by under root 3, 2 by 3. So 2 by under root 3, 3 divided by 2. So 2 is to cancel, 3 divided by under root 3. So we write as So answer is under root 3. So if we have to given this answer as a tan of angle, so the value of tan 60 is under root 3. So we can say that the value of this expression is under root 3 also, and we can say the value of this expression is tan 60. Now next question is very important. So we have to find the value of a and b. We have to find the value of a and b. So tan a plus b is equal to under root 3, and tan a minus b equal to 1 by under root 3. So find the value of a and b. Value of a and b. So we solve it by using the value of trigonometric tables. So tan a plus b equal to under root 3. So under root 3 is the value of tan 60. So using the concept, tan a plus b, so a plus b equal to 60 degree, and tan a minus b equal to 1 by under root 3. So tan a minus b, so 1 by under root 3 is the value of 1 by under root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So we can use the elimination method and find out the value of a and b. So a plus b is 60 degree and a minus b is 30 degree. So after addition, 2a is 90 and a is 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So we can use the value of a in any one of the equation. So value of a is 45 degree. So b is 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. So both are acute angle here. So this is the value of a and b. Thank you.